it will end corruption in our country. Bakit hindi pa ito in-implement sa Pilipinas? Bakit hindi pa in-implement ito sa gobyerno? This invitation really opened my eyes to the potential of building information modeling here in our country. Yung mayor pa ako, I became the mayor of Valenzuela in 2004. My first project was to digitalize all the tax payment offices in Valenzuela. Sabi ko, kasi before uso po yung index card, magbabayad ka ng million, lahat naka-index card. No? Tapos yung mga tao sa City Hall, may alaga yan ng mga taxpayer. So yung index card, tinatago nila. So yung mga taxpayer, alam na nila kung saan pupunta. Kung mayroon kang connection sa loob ng City Hall, hawak-hawak na index card mo. No? So, sabi ko dapat walang ganyan. So, everything should be digital. So, I embarked on a digitalization project. And, alam nyo, na-experience ko, sa hirap po ng digitalization ng project po namin, 3 times po namin inulit-ulit yung pagpasok ng data. Kasi na-discover namin, sinasabotahe po ng mga nag-i-input ng data. So, sabi ko, bakit hindi ma-kompleto ito? We realize na yung mga City Hall employees mismo, sila mismo nagsasabotahe. Because, siyempre, kumikita sila doon sa dating gawin, ayaw nila mag-digitalize. So, I know that moving into this technology or this process will be a challenge, especially with government. It will not be a walk in the park, it will not be easy, but it's a necessity that we should undertake. Maybe next year, maybe in the next 2 years, but we should start the process already.